mga laro, Sabado't Linggo, dito sa OSMBL nagsasalo. O March Sabado nights, tara na't maglaro. O March Sabado nights, buong pamilya'y kasalo. O March Sabado nights, angat ang antas ng laro. O March Sabado nights, dito magsama-sama tayo. Dito magsama-sama tayo. Yeah! Dito magsama-sama tayo. Let's go!
Omart Sabado Nights Basketball League is brought to you by Kaiju, Fit 21, H&H Sense Love, Basic,
and make sure nakaitim na yung shorts.
Mark Baroka. Okay lang. Black dominant. Aray go.
Shot ball. Lance Eusebio. Pass to Kenneth Salvador. Salvador, pass to Ralph Ramos. Umege. Ramos. Pass to Vergara. Pagkanlungan. Eusebio for the shot.
Lance Eusebio.
Aranda. Pass to
Villacorta. Backward violation.
Roque. Pass to Makoy. Vergara. Vergara hesitates. Vergara for the layup. May nakitang foul.
Foul on number 3, Kenneth Salvador. First personal foul, first team foul. 2 shots for Makoy Vergara.
Wait, tinambakan mo naman. Tinambakan mo.
Zero of 2 by Makoy Vergara. Kenneth Salvador. Pass to Lance for the 3.
Lance Eusebio, 3.
Makoy. Lays up.
Makoy Vergara.
Rap, ice buka.
Lance, pass to Rap for 3, no good. Villacorta to Aranda. Aranda nagbababa ng bola. Aranda, pass to Makoy Vergara. Makoy.
Makoy Vergara.
Lance Eusebio. Stolen by Aranda. Aranda naghahanap ng kampe. Tumingin sa ring, tumira. So palpal ni Kenneth. Aranda, pass to Villacorta. Villacorta for the shot is no good. Salvador, nagbababa. Salvador, pinasa sa kawalan.
6-5 lamang ng isang itim. 7 minutes and 57 seconds remaining in the first quarter.
Makoy, dumidiskarte. Makoy with a chop move to Kino. No good. Nais Pilanyani Villacorta to Aranda. Aranda, pass to Makoy. Makoy dumiskarte, side steps. No good. Pagkalungan for the rebound. Binigay kay Lance. Eusebio. With a
Lance Eusebio, 3!
Aranda, pass to Makoy. Makoy Vergara. Nabitawan. Makoy recovers. Makoy for the shot. Oh, sige.
Vergara.
Makoy Vergara.
Makoy Vergara.
Lance. Pass to Pagkanlungan. Pagkanlungan naghanap ng kakampi, fix. Pagkanlungan. To Lance. Lance for 3.
Lance Eusebio, 3!
Aranda for the shot. Tapos. Rebounded by Sam Javier. Javier. Pass to Kenneth Salvador. Salvador. Naghahanap.
Foul on number 15, Roque. First personal foul, first team foul. 2 shots for Kenneth Salvador.
Angas mo, pre.
First shot is good.
13-8.
5-point lead by Dalila.
Makoy Vergara. Pass to Aranda. Aranda hesitates. Aranda shoots for the 3. No good. Rebound by Lance. Lance Eusebio. Nagbababa. Lance. Pinasa kay Ramos. Ramos for the shot is good.
Ramos.
Makoy Vergara. Slices to the defenders. Nakuha ni Kino. Pero nabitawan yan. Ralph Ramos. Traveling.
We score 15-8.
Pre, kanta ka naman, pre.
Roque fix. Roque pass to Kino De Leon. Kino De Leon with a move is good.
Vivo De Leon.
Richard, dito yun.
Joey De Leon. Kenneth for 3. No good. Rebound by Pagkanlungan. Pagkanlungan ang haba ng pangalan.
Ramos. Time out.
Bakit hindi time out?
Hobby.
Ano, natapakan niya yung paano yung Randa. Pag-landing yun.
17 pre.
Ha? 17?
15-10. 5-point lead by the 17-10. 7-point lead by Dalila.
Ano nangyari pre?
Natapakan niya yung ano ni sapatos, yung paano niya Randa.
Ouch. Sino yung si Kenneth?
Medic. Right chair.
Papagpagin lang ni Kenneth yan eh.
Winners, tangin na. Tangin na push card. Add to card na. Natayo. Kamot scary. May pangako eh, be. Lobat pre. Lobat eh.
Substitution, Nigel Villagasi, Kenneth Salvador out. He scored 17-10, 7-point lead by Dalila. 5 minutes remaining in the first quarter.
Wala pa rin kay Kino. Lance. Pass to Ramos fakes. Ramos. Naghanap ng papasahan. Pass to Villegas. Pass to Sam Javier for the shot. No good. Rebound by Vergara. Dumidiskarte. Vergara nabitawan. Vergara for the shot. Wala yan. Vergara again. Hindi, nabitawan. Ramos. Paso pagkanlungan. Pagkanlungan, pinasa sa kalaban. Aranda nagbababa ng bola. Aranda for the shot. No good. Lance Eusebio. Lance pass to Villegas. Villegas for the shot. No good. Rebound by Kino De Leon. Kino De Leon for the layup. No good pa rin.
4 minutes.
Ralph Roque. Time out itin pa rin. Roque for 3. Wala. Nakuha ni Aranda. Aranda. Aranda for the shot.
Foul on number 13, Sam Javier. First personal foul, first team foul.
Time out itin.
Timeout, team. Score 17-10. 7-point lead by Dalina. 3 minutes and 45 seconds remaining in the first quarter.
Second team foul, sino? Lila. The second team.
Nine seconds to shoot yan.
Hindi, may free throw.
Free throw.
Back to the ball game. 2 shots for Sia Miranda.
Magsama-sama tayo.
Ano yan, volleyball?
Sabiya. Sige, mamaya. Mamaya. So, walang din yan.
Her shot is good.
Kaya po walang din yan.
Second shot is good. Substitution. James Goldenberry. Ralph Roque out. 17-12. 5-point lead by Dalina.
Javier, kakapasok lang, kinagis kay Aranda. Aranda for the layup, libreng-libre.
Sia Aranda from James again.
17-14, tatlo na lang ang kalamangan ng Lila. Lance Eusebio for 3, no good. Rebound by Makoy. Makoy nagbababa ng bola. Makoy lays up. What a shot by Makoy.
17-16. 1-point lead by by Lila.
Pagkanlungan fix. Tumin diskarte. Pagkanlungan to Eusebio. Eusebio, pass to Javier. Javier for the shot. No good. Rebound by the itim. Aranda for the layup.
Sia Aranda. Change favor. 18-17.
Lance, pass to Ramos. Pass to Villegas. Villegas, tumin diskarte. Posting up. Villegas slices through the defenders. No.
Foul on number
Pagkanlungan.
7. Event Pagkalungan. First personal foul, third team foul.
Lamang na ang itim. 18-17. 2 minutes and 30 seconds remaining in the first quarter. Kino De Leon. Hinagis. Nasambot ni Joel Salvador. Nakuha ni Vergara. Vergara nagbababa. Vergara lays up.
Mako Vergara.
Lakas ni Makoy, ang bagong pirata ng LPU. Aranda. Aranda to Vergara. Makoy Vergara lays up. May nakitang foul.
Foul on number 13, Sam Javier.
Second board.
Second personal foul, fourth team foul. 2 shots for Mako Vergara.
Yayo.
First shot is good.
One of two by Makoy Vergara. 1 minute and 50 seconds remaining. Lance for 3. No good. Rebound by Samabier. Pass to Lance. Lance, may nakitang foul. And 1.
All good then, there's Eusebio. Foul number 7.
7 din. 7, okay. Oh,
Who's ball rep?
Randa.
Randa. Bonus shot for Lance Eusebio. Is good.
First personal foul, Sian Aranda.
Ay,
Second
2020
team
pa lang
foul.
sa akin.
By Raisi.
2020 lang sa akin, pre.
21-20.
21. Lila na.
Score,
Lila.
21-20. 1 point lead by Raisi. Out of bounds, Lilabo.
Tama no, 21-20.
21-20, 1 point lead by Daidil. 1 minute and 10 seconds remaining in the first quarter.
Salvador, dumidiskarte. Salvador to Villegas, pass to Eusebio. Eusebio, stops and pops, no good. Nakuha pa rin ni Eusebio pero naipasa sa maling tao. Makoy Vergara, dumidiskarte. Makoy for the layup. Is good. What a game by Makoy Vergara. Ganyan ba pag totoong pirata na? J. Rubio for the shot. No good. Nabitawan yan. Pass to Salvador. Libreng-libre for 3.
Kenneth Salvador to Agla tayo sa 23.
Salvador for 3. What a shot.
Salvador and of the first quarter, we score 26-23.
Sabadot Linggo, dito sa OSMBL nagsasalo. O March Sabado nights, tara na't maglaro. O March Sabado nights, buong pamilya'y kasalo. O March Sabado nights, angat ang antas ng laro. O March Sabado nights, dito magsama-sama tayo. Dito
Lila ba? Lila?
Lila.
Team.
Ang mananalo sa halabanin ng pila sa semifinals.
Team!
Morocco.
Ilipat ko na ha. Walang ina nyo ha.
Second quarter.
Salvador again for 3. No good na yan. Javier, naagawan. Lance Eusebio, nagbaba ng bola. Lance, pinasa kay Kenneth. Kenneth for the shot, is good.
Kenneth Salvador.
Javier, pass to Makoy.
Score 26-25. Blocking of Lamok.
Makoy, dinidiskarte. Pero, tinira, wala yan. Makoy, nagagawan. Makoy again, for the shot. Lance Eusebio, pumukol ng tres. No good. Rebound by JDO. JDO, pass to Eusebio. To Rubio, no good. Rebound by Kiano. Pass to Javier. Javier, nagbaba ng bola. Javier for the shot.
James Javier. Eagle. He scored 28-25. 3-point lead by the team.
Kenneth Salvador, no good. Rebound by RJ. RJ Villegas, pumuposte. No good pa rin yan. Rebound by Javier. Javier, pass to Makoy Vergara. Harassed by JDO. Makoy Vergara. What a move by Makoy. Supalpal by Salvador.
Foul on number 3, Kenneth Salvador. Second personal foul, first team foul. 2 shots for Makoy Vergara.
One of two by Makoy Vergara.
39-25, 4-point lead by the team.
Rubio, pass to Lance, pass to Salvador, back to Eusebio. Eusebio for 3, no good. Javier, Inages. Kay Aranda, nakuha ni Aranda. Pero walang kakampi. 3-on-1 yan. De Leon, lays up. It's good.
De Leon from Sian Aranda.
JDO for Kumeke. Na agawan ni Aranda. Si JDO. Aranda, pass to Makoy. Makoy Vergara. Pass to Aranda, fix. Traveling yan.
Rolling. He scored 31-25. 6-point lead by the team. 7 minutes and 36 seconds remaining in the second quarter. Out of bounds. Lillabong.
Lance Eusebio, pass to Salvador, fix. Salvador, tumira. What a shot pero no good. Rebound by Rubio, pass to Villegas for the shot. It's good. And foul.
Foul counted. Foul on number 5, Gino De Leon. First personal foul, first team foul. Bonus shot to RJ Villegas. He scored 31-27. Lamang pa rin ang team.
Salvador, naghahanap ng papasahan. Pass to Javier, nakagawa ng anak niya. Kenneth, for the layup. No good!
Foul on number 33, Joel Salvador. First personal foul, second team foul.
Lance Eusebio, pass to JDO for the 3. JDO, no good. Rebound by Javier. James Javier, naghahanap ng kakampi. James Javier, pass to Joel Salvador. Barok Salvador with a power move, no good. Salvador again. Is good.
Salvador.
Meron tayong tight ball game on hand. Villegas, nakuha ang bola. Villegas for the shot, is good. Ang ganda ng laban.
He scored 33-29. Lamang pa rin ang itim.
Gino De Leon, naghahanap ng kakampi. Setting up the play. Aranda, back to De Leon. De Leon hesitates to take the 3. Javier, fakes. Javier for the shot, no good. Nakuha ni Salvador yan. Joel Salvador for the shot, wala pa rin. Salvador, Kenneth, pass to Lance Eusebio, to Kenneth. Kenneth, it's good.
Kenneth Salvador. out of bounds. Lillabon. Final 3 to 31. 2-point lead by 3 teams. Foul, leg number 5, Tino De Leon.
Dalawa na.
Second personal foul, third team foul. 2 shots for RJ Villegas. Her shot is no good.
Ang daming haters niya ni RJ. (33-31) lamang pa rin ang itim. Joel Salvador nagsiset up ng play. Makoy Vergara dumidiskarte. Makoy, pass to Salvador. Salvador for 3. Diretso pero sablayan. Lance Eusebio nagbababa ng bola. Lance Eusebio for the shot. Is no good. Aranda. Pass to Makoy. Makoy for the layup. May nakitang foul. Blocking foul.
Blocking foul at number 4, RJ Villegas. First personal foul, second team foul. 2 shots for Makoy Vergara. Her shot is no good.
One of two again by Makoy.
Second shot is good. 34-31. 3-point lead by the team.
JDO for 3. No good. Rebound by J.A. Rubio. Pass to Lance Eusebio for 3. No good pa rin.
Bulongo. 34-31. 3-point lead by the team.
Makoy Vergara. Dumidiskarte. Screen by Tino De Leon. Aranda. Pass to Salvador. Libre sa 3. What a play!
Joel Salvador 3.
Salvador. Pass to Lance. Pass to JDO. Fakes. JDO. Pass to Lance. Lance for the shot. No good. Rebound by Salvador. Kenneth is good.
Kenneth Salvador.
Wala, good ball. Deadpool tayo, Deadpool. Nabigay na eh.
Makoy, nabitawan. Time out.
Nabigay na eh. Bola. Para mga tuwiran.
Tama di team.
Nabigay na nga yung bola eh.
Sorry po kasi maayos naman yung sa lupa. Mga barahin. Sorry po.
Back to the ball game.
Sorry po ah. Dito na ba? Ang hindi na nagkakamali ah.
Uy, tama na. Aranda, 4-3. No good. Rebound by Salvador. Salvador nagbaba ng bola. Salvador for the shot is good.
Kenneth Salvador. The score 37-35. 2-point lead by the team.
Salvador, Joel. Pass to Aranda. Aranda, pass to Javier. Javier, pass to De Leon. Wara pass, no good. De Leon, Javier nakuha. Javier fakes, Javier shoots, no good. Rebound by Villegas. Black ball.
Bulongo.
Vergara. Dumidiskarte. Nabitawan. Vergara again. Vergara, pass to Aranda. Fix. Aranda for the shot. No good. Rebound by Kenneth. Kenneth nagbababa ng bola. Nagmamadali. Kenneth, bumangga. Kenneth, tumira, wala. Villegas.
Foul on number 16, Mahoy Vergara. First personal foul, Floyd, team foul by the team. Score 37-35, 2-point lead by the team.
What a knockout play. Pero ang ganda ng depensa ni Kino dyan. But the offense is
Kenneth Salvador, deadlock at 37.
Makoy Vergara setting up. Pass to Javier. James Javier to Aranda. Aranda fix. Aranda nagatubili. Nakuha ni J.A. J.A. umikot. J for the shot. No good. May tulak na nakita si Rep kay JDO.
Foul on number 38, Leo Campo. First personal foul, team foul.
Deadlock at 37 with 2 minutes.
Deadlock at 37. 2 minutes remaining.
Makoy. Naagawan. Pero recovered by Makoy again. Pero naagawan ulit. Libreng-libre dyan si JDO for the layup. What a shot by JDO.
Showtime.
Change favor.
Change favor. 39-37.
Lamang na ang lila sa ating ball game. Javier. Dumidiskarte. Bumangga. May
Lucky foul on number 4, RJ Villegas. Second personal foul, team foul. Substitution, Melvin Tagalungan in. First shot is good. Foul on number 7, Melvin Tagalungan. Penalty.
Second penalty.
Second personal foul by Melvin Tagalungan. 2 shots for Dino De Leon. First shot is no good.
zero off to yan by Kino De Leon. Salvador Kenneth. Pass to Lance Eusebio for the shot. No good. Rebound by Lance Eusebio again. Lance is
Lance Eusebio. 41-38, 3-point lead by Dalila.
Makoy Vergara. Dumidiskarte. Makoy double
1
screen.
minute remaining.
Makoy to Aranda. Intercepted by Salvador Kenneth. May nakitang foul.
Lucky foul on number 16, Mahoy Vergara. Penalty. Second personal by Mahoy Vergara. 2 shots for Kenneth Salvador. First shot is good.
Unti-unti nang lumalayo ang lila.
Second shot is good also. 43-38. Lamang na ang lila ng 5.
Javier. Nag-hesitate. Javier. Javier fakes. Javier bumomba. Pass to Aranda. Aranda back to Joel Salvador for 3. No good.
Block ball. 43 to 38. 5-point lead by Dalila. 29 seconds remaining in the second quarter.
Makoy Vergara, pass to Aranda. Aranda dumidiskarte. Aranda, what a pass to Kino De Leon. Pero naagawan yan. Evet pagkanlungan, nagbababa ng bola. Evet, pass to Lance. Lance fakes the 3. Nabitawan. J. Rubio for the 3. No good. 9 seconds remaining. Makoy Vergara. Naagawan ni Kenneth. 4 seconds remaining. Kenneth for the shot is good.
Kenneth Salvador 3. End of the second quarter, he scored 46 to 38. Labakan Lila.
Sabado't Linggo, dito sa OSMBL nagsasalo. O March, Sabado nights, tara na't maglaro. O March, Sabado nights, buong pamilya'y kasalo. O March, Sabado nights, angat ang antas ng laro. O March, Sabado nights, dito magsama-sama tayo. Dito magsama-sama tayo. Yeah! Dito magsama-sama tayo.
Besa muna. Hinga muna.
Ang mananalo, makakalaban ng bilang sa semifinal.
Yabang mo naman.
Yabang mo, Ben.
Laglag ka. Yabang mo naman, Ben.
Ang yabang mo, Ben.
Yabang mo yun.
Ang nanalo nga pala kahapon, Team Bula
Puti.
at Team Puti.
Kaya pala na ubos tubig. Tapos na ako. Hindi mo sinukas eh.
Kakarating lang.
Dolo mo ka pala ako gabi doon.
Alam mo iinom ka?
Cellphone mo yan, no? Wala yung kakakasal. Ito mo.
Hindi ko na-explain.
King, ayun na, King.
Kaya nagalit. Ano yung important? Dalawa. Okay na yan, baser na. Baser. Red!
Back to the ball game. 46 to 38. 8-point lead by Dalila.
Lila.
Lila ball. Third quarter.
Lance for the running shot is good.
Lance Eusebio.
At ganun na lang, 10 na ang lamang ng
10-point
Lila.
lead by Dalila.
Aranda. Pass to Roque. Pass to Kino De Leon. No good. Hindi pa rin nakabutas si De Leon doon. Salvador for 3. No good. Roque with the rebound. Roque. Pass to Aranda. bitawan, nakuha ni Lance Eusebio. Pass to Villegas. Villegas is good.
Andre Villegas from Lance Eusebio.
Makoy Vergara. Pass to right, Roque. Roque, pass to Makoy. Makoy Vergara for the shot. No good. Rebound by Kenneth. Kenneth Hinages. Hinages nakuha ni Lance pero recovered by Lance. Villegas for the shot. No good. Aranda, pass to Joel. Barok Salvador, pag nagbababa ng bola, Barok is good.
Joel Salvador.
Back to 10.
Score 50-40. 10-point lead by the Lila.
Salvador. Pass to Lance. Lance for 3. No good.
Out of bounds, 18 ball.
Makoy Vergara. Dumidiskarte. Screen by De Leon. Pass to Roque. Roque for 3. No good. Rebound by Villegas. Villegas pinasa sa referee.
Sab daw, sab.
Substitution. RJ Eusebio in.
RJ Eusebio is entering. Technical yan. Short. Alam na ni coach.
Ano sabi natin?
Makoy Vergara for the shot is good.
Makoy Vergara.
Rep. Technical. Shorts. Itim.
Technical foul of RJ Eusebio for wearing different color of shorts.
Pasok.
Technical shot is good for Kenneth Salvador.
Black yun. Dominant yun. Black dominant. Pasok yan.
Basta black doon nila. Sa'yo nga may puti eh. Nag-direct lang.
Makoy, pass to Joel. Pass to Eusebio is
RJ
good.
Eusebio.
Para nag-iiba na ang mood ng laro pagkapasok ni RJ Eusebio. 51-44 lamang ang Lila. J.A. Rubio for 3. J.A. no good. Rebound by Salvador. Nakuha ni Kino De Leon. Nakuha ni RJ Eusebio. Eusebio, pass to Roque. Roque to Salvador. May nakitang foul.
Isam. J.A. ba? J.A. 30 nata. Ano yun?
No good
Foul
yan.
number 19, J.A. Rubio. First personal foul, first team foul.
Second shot for Joel Sablay. Is good.
Second shot is good.
Six.
Score 51-45. 6-point lead by the Liga.
Lance for the shot. Is
And
good.
Eusebio.
RJ Eusebio. What a pass to Kino.
Kino De Leon. Score 53-47. Lamang pa rin ang Liga.
Kenneth Salvador setting up the play. Back to Kenneth. Kenneth umikot. Kenneth dumidiskarte. Pass to Lance Eusebio for 3. No good. Rebound by RJ Eusebio. RJ, pass to Makoy. Makoy, dumidiskarte. Lays up. Is good.
Joel Vergara.
Alam.
Chinin.
Ariel Villegas. The score 55-49. Labakan Manila.
Turnover by RJ Eusebio.
Lila Walls. Substitution. Villacortain. Roque out. 55-49. 6-point lead by the Lila.
Kenneth Salvador. Pass to Lance Eusebio. Lance dumidiskarte. Pass to JA, back to Lance. Setting up the play. Tumaas si RJ. Pinasa kay Rubio. What a play. No good. Makoy Vergara nagbaba ng bola. Makoy secures the position. No good. Makoy again. Makoy to Eusebio. Eusebio for the shot. No good. Rebound by Villegas. Kurt Salvador. Kenneth Salvador for 2 is no good. JA is good.
Pero, second half. Tatlo.
Out of bounds.
Second half, tatlo.
The score 57-49. 8-point lead by the Team Lila.
Makoy Vergara. Double screen by Itim. Pero may nakitang traveling violation.
Putang na mga kabit yan. Makakasarap ang yan.
Lance Eusebio nagbababa. JA. Pinag-isipan. Pass to Lance. Pass to Kenneth Salvador. Salvador. Lance Eusebio fakes. 3 seconds violation.
3 seconds violation.
Sablang.
Timeout eh.
Hindi, sabi niya basket timeout.
Substitution.
Saan.
Sablang.
Kasi, no?
Zero out. James Coley.
No, nag-full kasi.
The score 57-49. 8-point lead by the Team Lila.
Eusebio, pass to Joel. Joel, nagdadalawang isip. Joel, gusto ng kakampi. Joel for the 3. No good. Rebound by Javier. Javier for the shot. Is good by Javier.
Score 57-51. 6-point lead by the Lila team.
Lance Eusebio, nagmamando. RJ Villegas, bumangga. No good. RJ Eusebio, nagbababa ng bola. RJ Eusebio, pass to Salvador.
Joel Salvador. Timeout Lila.
At bumaba na
The
sa 4.
score 57-53. 4-point lead by the Team Lila. 2 minutes and 49 seconds remaining in the third quarter.
Nila timeout ba, no? Nila.
Lila.
Ang mananalo sa game na to, makakalaban ang Pila sa semifinals.
Yabang kubit.
Sa kabilang bracket naman, maglalaban ang pula at puti. Back to the ball game. Bola ng Lila.
Kenneth Salvador, Setting up, pass to Lance Eusebio, pumukol ng 3. Siya pa rin ang naka-rebound. Nabitawan yan, pero recovered by Kenneth Salvador. Salvador crosses over, tumira, no good. Nakuha ni Barak Villacorta. James Xavier nagbababa, pass to Makoy. Makoy Salvador for the layup. May nakitang foul.
On number 3, Kenneth Salvador.
Third second.
Hey, personal foul, not Kenneth Salvador. Second team foul for Team Manila. 2 shots for Makoy Vergara.
Ay ko po.
First shot is good.
57
3-point wala, ang lamang ng Lila.
to 54. Tatlo na lang ang lamang ng Lila.
Second shot is no good. Score 53, 57, 54. 3-point lead by the Team Lila.
What a pass to RJ. RJ. Rebound by RJ. May nakitang foul.
Foul on number 31, Arya Eusebio.
Second, first.
Second personal foul on Arya Eusebio.
Second na ba?
Second
Oo nga pala, second.
and team foul.
Second siya, ano? Masabi kanina. Oo. Second.
First shot is good.
Wow.
Second shot is good also.
Ang ganda ng
Score 59-54. 5-point lead by the Team Lila. Last 2 minutes.
Makoy Vergara. 4-3. No good. Rebound by RJ. RJ pinasa kay Kenneth. Kenneth Salvador. What a defensive. No good pa rin yan.
Lila ball.
Same ball.
RJ, baba daw.
Eusebio. Pass to Kenneth. Nabitawan. Salvador nagmamadali sa kabila. Salvador for the shot is good.
Jordan Salvador. 59-56, Team Lila, 3-point lead.
RJ, what a move. No good. RJ versus RJ yan.
RJ Villegas. 61-56, Team Lila.
RJ Villegas part of the All-OSNBL second team. Offensive foul.
Foul. Offensive foul.
James, no? Zero, no? First personal. Walang team foul yun. First personal ba?
First personal by James Balaguer.
Kenneth Salvador. Butata by RJ Eusebio. Kino, pass to RJ. Eusebio nagbababa. Javier for the shot. No good. Pagkanlungan for the rebound. Lance Eusebio nagbababa ng bola. Lance pinasa kay RJ. No good. What a rebound.
Black ball.
Black ball.
Possession arrow. Black ball. The score 61-56. 5-point lead by the Team Lila.
RJ Eusebio. Cons RJ for the 3. No good. RJ Villegas. Pass to Kenneth Salvador.
Foul on number 16, Makoy Vergara.
Third.
Makoy Vergara, third personal foul. Third team foul. Out of bounds.
Sorry, turnover by Kenneth Salvador.
Timeout.
Lila.
RJ.
Isa na lang timeout niya na.
Lila.
Isa na lang timeout.
Hanggang port.
Lila, isa na lang ang timeout.
Tatlo buong second. Isa na lang.
Back to the ball game.
Tatlo timeout pa.
Itim, tatlo ba ang timeout? Lila, isa na lang.
Second lang. 2 minutes.
7 seconds. Makoy dumiskarte. What a pass to Javier. Javier, no good. And that's the end of the
And
third
the
quarter.
third quarter score, 61-56.
Sabado at Linggo, dito sa OSMBL nagsasalo. Oh, March Sabado nights, tara na at maglaro. Oh, March Sabado nights, buong pamilya'y kasalo. Oh, March Sabado nights, angat ang antas ng laro. Oh, March Sabado nights, dito magsama-sama.
Sa semifinal. Sa kabilang bracket naman, pula at puti na lang ang natitira.
Yan o, tanod. Diyan, tanod ka dyan. Madala pang artist eh, no? Pwede na, mga apat na to. Ang lalam niya na. May okay na kayo ba? Lahat na?
Okay, Libre.
Back to the ball game.
Lila!
Bola ng Lila, nag-jump ball kanina. Score natin, 61-56, 5-point lead by Team Lila. Fourth and final quarter.
Ebet pag-coach.
James Xavier from Joel Salvador. 61-58, 3-point lead by Lila. Joel Salvador. 1-point lead by Team Lila, 61-60.
What a rebound by Quino.
Ere Salvador. He scored 63-16. 3-point lead by Lila. Joel Salvador. He scored 63-62. 1-point lead by Team Lila.
Lamang nilay.
Dila isa lamang.
Nilay isa.
5 seconds to shoot. Lance Eusebio, intercepted. Nakuha ni Kenneth.
Kenneth Salvador. 65-62. 3-point lead by Team Lila. Traveling violation, Lila ball. The score 65-62. Team Lila ang lamang. Melbourne, Kakalama. The score 67-62. Foul na number 16, Mako Vergara.
Apat na yan.
Fourth personal foul ng Mako Vergara. First team foul. Blocking foul ng Mako Vergara. Fourth personal foul, first team foul. Lila ball. The score 67-62. 5-point lead by Team Lila. RJ Eusebio. Foul na number.
Barok. Loose ball.
Basket is good.
Salvador, no?
Salvador.
Foul na number 23, Salvador.
Second.
Second personal foul, second team foul. The score 67-64. 3-point lead by Team Lila. Mako Vergara. 67-66. 1-point lead by Team Lila.
What a move by RJ! Wow!
Villegas. 69-66. 3-point lead by Team Lila.
For 3. Wow! Joey Salvador! Red deadlock at 69.
At 69. 4 minutes and 50 seconds remaining at the fourth quarter.
Sab.
Lance for 3. No good. Rebound by Jay.
Foul at number 5. Chino De Leon. Third personal foul at Lino De Leon.
Third team foul.
First team foul. Substitution. Sam Mahabierti. Kapaluan out.
What a knockout play by Lila.
Salvador from Lance Eusebio. 71-69. Team Lila up by 2.
Lance hesitates. Lance pass to Kenneth is good.
Kenneth Salvador from Lance Eusebio. Time out, Itin.
May lumapit mo doon? Kumain mo?
Wala. Dito kita rin.
Doon galing.
Score 73-69.
Lapit kayo dito, pagka-time out.
Guys, pag magta-time out daw kayo, lapit daw kayo sa committee para malinaw. Yung referee, hindi sila daw magbibigay ng time out. Pag under 2 minutes lang daw pwede. Pwede kayo mag-time out sa referee.
Be. Isang timeout, dalawa.
Lila, isang time out. Itim, dalawa pa. 4 minutes and 10 seconds remaining. 73-69. 4-point lead by Team Lila.
Makoy Vergara, pass to James Xavier. James Xavier, free for 3, no good. Sam Xavier with the rebound, pass to J.A. J.A. pass to Lance. Lance to Kenneth, is good.
Kenneth Salvador.
Makoy Vergara, pass to Joel Salvador. Pupukol ulit ng 3 assists. Oh, ininuwa. Kenneth Salvador, nagbababa. Easy lang daw, sabi ng coach. Lance Eusebio
75-69.
to Kenneth. Kenneth fakes for 3. Kenneth umikot. Kenneth for the shot is good.
Kenneth Salvador. He scored 77-69. 8-point lead by Team Lila.
Joel Salvador. Back to Vergara. Makoy dumidiskarte. Makoy pass to Javier. Javier fakes. Hesitates. Barok for 3. No good. Good. Kenneth Salvador. Grabe yun, Kenneth.
Kenneth Salvador. He scored 79-69. 10-point lead by Team Lila.
RJ Eusebio for the shot, no good. Rebound by Kino. Kino for the shot, is good.
Lino de Leon. He scored 79-71. 8-point lead by Team Lila. 2 minutes and 17 seconds remaining.
Kenneth pass to Lance. Lance nabitawan pero recovered by Lance. Lance to J.A. for 3. No good. Rebound by Makoy. Makoy pinasa.
Last 2 minutes. RJ Eusebio. He scored 79-73. 6-point lead by Team Lila.
What a pass!
Eusebio. Out of bounds. Itimbo. 1 minute and 42 seconds remaining.
Stop time, pre. Kenneth for the shot, no good. Nandun si Lance to clean up.
Lance Eusebio. 1 minute and 21 seconds remaining. He scored 83-73. 10-point lead by Team Lila.
Salvador for 3 is good.
Joel Salvador 3.
Buhay pa ang itim.
1 minute and 7 seconds remaining. 83-76. 7-point lead by the Team Lila. 1 minute.
Salvador dumidiskarte. Salvador to Lance. Lance nagde-dribble. Tumira. No good. Rebound by RJ Villegas for the shot. No good pa rin. Wala pa din yan. RJ Eusebio. Cons RJ. Pass to Vergara. Makoy for 3. No good. JA. Milking the clock. Pass to Kenneth.
34 seconds.
RJ.
RJ Villegas.
At
And
wala nga.
basketball game. We score 85-76.
Thank you, Cons.
Line by Team Lila. Ang maghaharap sa ating semifinals ay kompleto na.
Sabado't Linggo, dito sa OSMBL nagsasalo. Oh, March Sabado Nights, tara na at maglaro. Oh, March Sabado Nights, buong pamilya'y kasalo. Oh, March Sabado Nights, angat ang
Maraming
antas ng
salamat
laro.
sa mga nanonood
Oh,
ngayong
March
gabi.
Sabado Nights, dito magsama-sama
night, everybody.
tayo. Dito magsama-sama tayo. Yeah, dito magsama-sama tayo.